Hi, it's Rich Tehrani with the TMC Newsroom. Today we've got Raymond Kim with ZTE. Raymond, how are you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Great. Tell me a little bit about ZTE.
Yeah, ZTE is a China-based company. It was founded in 1985 and by a group of entrepreneurs. But one of the founding members is now the current chairman of the board, Mr. Ho Wei-Gui. He still actively participates in the company's operation. And our CEO, Mr. Yiming, has been in charge of the company for a few years. And it's one of the only publicly traded company from China that's in the telecom industry. And over the years, it has grown from a startup into a global telecom provider that provides end-to-end solutions to customers worldwide. We have operations in over 120 countries, and we have sales offices in over 90 different countries. And in 2008, we achieved $6.5 billion in sales, and that's represented a growth of 27%. So despite the current global economic turmoil, ZTE continues to grow at a very fast pace. To highlight our mobile devices side, our shipment has increased by 40%, and we are currently the number 6 handset maker in the world. Looking at the company's development, the handset division was established in 2001. So in the 7 short years, it became the 6th largest provider of mobile handsets. That's a remarkable achievement. So the company still grows at a very, very rapid pace. We expect that growth to continue. The company invests heavily in R&D, and our 10% turnover is committed to the R&D resources. And we're building a large R&D center in Xi'an, China. And we expect with the next technology evolution, we're going to stay in front of the technology. We'll have the cost leadership, and I expect ZTE to continue to grow.
Now, is this in the LTE, 4G, LTE?
Yeah, that's what I'm referring to.
Okay, so what are you seeing in terms of the market where WiMAX and LTE are concerned?
We continue to support both technology formats, and we believe WiMAX is still a viable technology with specific application areas.
Such as?
Such as some smaller third world countries, and also in some of the top tier markets where there's a specific need for a particular technology for that application.
Now, what about as it pertains to devices? Do you expect a proliferation of WiMAX devices?
We continue to produce WiMAX devices. We are shipping WiMAX devices in the U.S. for U.S. customers, and we continue to commit resources to develop more advanced WiMAX devices to support our customers.
Now, okay, so that gives us a good indication. Now, in terms of LTE, what's going to be the year of LTE where we see more and more companies rolling it out?
Yeah, in 2010. We see a lot of trials going on and some limited scale commercialization of it. And we expect that technology to get to full commercialization in the next 2 years or so.
So in terms of carriers, what size carrier is your traditional target?
We serve carriers large and small because ZTE is in a unique position of having a very, very good R&D resources pool, and also we are very good at customizing solutions for carriers. Thus, we can provide solutions that's tailored to small-scale operations or very large-scale operations, and we continually target both sides to serve our customers.
Are there any barriers to your success?
Certainly there has been a lot of challenges, but we have overcome a lot of them, and we continue to face challenges. As you know, growth sometimes is painful. There's a lot of internal challenges we're facing and also external challenges we're facing. I think if I can name one challenge is building a brand. ZTE brand has been perceived as it's just a low-cost provider, but I do want to remind everyone that ZTE continues to invest heavily in R&D, and we want to be the technology leader as well.
So tremendous focus then on engineering and new product development.
Exactly.
Do you have a number of total engineers, something like that? I don't want to put you on the spot.
Our headcount continues to grow. give you an example. Earlier last year, I was told we have 47,000 employees globally. Just a few months later, the number goes up to 50,000 plus, and it continues to grow. And out of that, we have, I think, 30,000 of them committed to R&D development. That number still continues to grow. And for example, the Xi'an Research Center I mentioned earlier, the plan is to have 20,000 R&D staff in that research center. That's basically a small city of engineering talent.
Well, that's good news for a global economy that's losing jobs. I think that's great that our industry is certainly adding jobs at a time when we need to add jobs. So that's great. So
yeah, domestically, China obviously released the 3G licenses. We see explosive growth in China regarding the 3G mobile broadband development deployment. And in the U.S., we still see continued growth. We have plans to work with all the available opportunities to make U.S. market a success.
And what's next for the company?
Next for the company, obviously, we want to focus on some of the top-tier markets, Europe and North America.
Great.
We have made the internal structure adjustments to accommodate that.
Fantastic. Raymond Kim with ZTE, thank you so much. My name is Rich Tehrani, and we're here in the TMC newsroom. Thank you.
Thank you.